This huge hunk of scrap metal is about to sail out of my life, but before it does, I thought I'd use it as an example. This is a 440, and it is my friend. But I don't care how much engine you got. If you're not getting full throttle, you're leaving power on the table, friend. Oh, I need this piece of trim for the 79. Dang it. This is the factory engine in this motorhome, and the throttle linkage was not adjusted anywhere near correct. Maybe it's bent over the years, I don't know, but I kind of doubt it. You see there how many threads I had to take it out to get it even in the neighborhood. It is in the neighborhood now. See that shiny thermocloth under there? It's shiny because I had to go through it. I had to go through it because the epoxy had failed and one of those well plugs underneath was leaking. Extra fuel enrichment. I mean, that's great and all, but a little too much extra. I also did a basic tune-up. I removed the original spark plug wires. Hey, the idle solenoid works! Look at that magic! I wonder how long it's gonna do that. About 15 seconds, that's how long. Crazy. I've never seen one work before. If you want to make yourself a 12-second dart, grab a dart and one of these things. Trust me, it'll work. Anyway, just a reminder, when you're working through something, you always want to check the basic stuff. Timing. Is it right? Don't assume that it is. Am I getting full throttle? Is my kickdown adjusted anywhere near correctly? Is the carburetor set correctly? Are the bolts tight? You know, just work through everything piece by piece till you got it worked to a science. Oh yeah, the Dink Handle doesn't work. The main issue with this thing was a cracked fuel supply line up on top of the gas tank. That took me some time to figure out and fix. But we got there. Sure runs nice now. Won't quite burn rubber, and yes, I tried. But it sounds pretty good. Don't look at that. Not looking at that. I'm not really a fan of these things, but this one's kind of awesome. I'd take it, you know, for free. This would be a way better one to put a Cummins in. More on that later. Anyway, thanks for watching, and remember, you don't weigh in, you don't wrestle.